Hi, this is Cherrie with the Cherrie and Zach team over here at Next Home Real Estate Rockstars. So you're thinking about selling your home and you want to know what should you repair. This is really important that you make sure you contact me first and I come over to your property and walk through your home with you. What happens is us as homeowners is we look at our home and see all the flaws in our house that bother us. And we think we have to do this big long checklist to get our house ready for sale. In a market like today, it's not necessarily true. I may walk in and not notice any of those flaws and they may not be important. Now, with that being said, think your property is going to go through a home inspection. So if you do know that your sliding glass door only opens when you use extreme force and you have to WD-40 it every other day in order to open it, that's something you might want to address. The more items that are on a home inspection list, the more the buyer is going to be overwhelmed with your home. You don't want the buyer to end up backing out because they feel overwhelmed with all of the little to-do lists. Now, if you're looking at your home and you're thinking about scuffs in the paint or minor things here and there, those things may not add up. You also don't want to do any major remodels. Don't remodel your kitchen or your bathrooms and think you're going to get your money back and it's going to enhance the value. Just have me come over to your property first and foremost before you do anything and let me know anything that doesn't work properly so we can address what needs to be addressed in your home. Hope this helps. Give me a call, 661-877-1929. Bye.